Yo, what's up, you guys? This is boy, this is Frost Byte production, and today's video is actually a throwback to like a year ago, maybe. Uh, if you guys don't know, it's Lego fans and stuff like that, and yeah, ever since then it was just rainbow, but now I don't look a little bit more realistic looking, and here we have the Lego uh Glock 17. Now, I really just make this for like the looks and stuff. Sadly, it's not blow back. No trigger, but I do have a move magazine which actually has a bullet this time. Uh, yeah, so uh, I, there's not really a lot to say about this gun. I mean, iron sights work. Uh, and, the magazine is removable. I did make a few attachments actually. Uh, one of them being this 33 round magazine. Personally, I don't really like it. Uh, another being this uh, 19 round magazine with the rubber pad on the bottom. Not rubber, by the way. Legos with plastic. Uh, I also built this laser slash flashlight. I also made this red dot, which I decided to add some actual color on it and put blue on it. And I think it looks pretty cool. Kind of looks like John Wick's gun, if I'm going to be honest with you. Now, this is my most proud work that I did, mainly because it's really an improvement to what I did before. As you can see, here's this, and you go back to my other Lego Glock model. That was all colorful, but this time it's all black. Well, maybe black, but you get the point. Um, yeah, guys. Um, this was the Lego Glock 17. If you guys want to see more videos like this, then please do be sure to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. And yeah, guys, with that being said, uh, I'm trying to get to 500 subscribers before the end of 2023. So, you guys know somebody that likes music or likes stuff like this, and be sure to uh, share the channel with your friends and family. And be sure to subscribe if you like stuff like this. And yeah, with that being said, guys, this is your boy Frost Byte Production. And Frosty.